Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Right now it is currently Wednesday, August 6th, and I am starting to pack for my Portugal vacation, which is 2 weeks long. But I'm starting to pack because I have nothing done. I just got a ginormous suitcase that's sitting right here on my floor, and I need to start packing because I have no idea what I'm bringing. And I also ordered a pack of packing cubes. I did not realize how many it came with, so we have a good amount for all the things we need to pack. Like I said, it is 2 weeks that we're gonna be there, but we're going to 2 Airbnbs, but there's also gonna be washers there. There's no dryers because they hang their clothes in Portugal, so there's that. But I do still want to bring a good amount of clothes, so I have options. So I'm going to show you all of the bathing suits that I'm bringing because I don't have that many, so I'm basically bringing all of them, and this is just like a combination, a little collection of all the bathing suits I have. I want more, and looking at this pile and knowing that I have to bring like all of them because I have like none makes me sad. Next summer I'm definitely buying a ton. I got this bathing suit I believe like 2 years ago. This is the top, cute little ruffles plaid bathing suit, and then these are the bottoms. I got this bathing suit from Target. Next I got this top like years, so long ago. I don't even know if it's gonna fit. It should, but this is the front. It has a little cutout, and then the back also has the same one. And then I have another black top bathing suit. It's just a little triangle one. They're from Hollister. And then I have like ribbed black bottoms that's able to go with both of them. The one from Target, they're all from Hollister. I have this green set, just basic ribbed bottoms, but then the top looks like this. And then I have the exact same thing in this like electric blue color. Again, same thing for the bottoms. I bought this one this year. It's again like a triangle bathing suit. It's a little bit more, but it has a really cute sun on it and like this really cute pattern. And then I think my favorite part of the whole thing are the bottoms. I genuinely think they are so cute. Looking at my wardrobe, it makes me so sad because all my clothing pieces aren't that cute. For dresses, I have this like long black Skims dress that I think would be cute if we go out to like a nicer dinner. I'm gonna look for other dresses in my closet because this is like a little fancy. I have like some like cover-up dresses I think would be good to bring also. I'm going through all my tops right now because I still need like shirts that I want to like wear before I go, and then I'll do my laundry like the Friday before I leave. But I got all like the little shirts. So I got this one. I think this one is going to be like absolutely perfect. It's like a halter tied around the neck. It's backless. It's adorable. I have this tube top from Hollister. I have the same thing but in white. I have this one that I've had for years. This is from Abercrombie, and it's like a really cute cover up for like a bathing suit. And then I have, I don't know where my other one is, but I have one of the reversible Hollister tops. So this is one side, and then the next is like this really cute baby blue cover. Long pants. I have a pair of leggings. I'm debating if I want to bring like my other pair, but they're just my Lululemon leggings. I have this really cute of like flared, like really soft material pants. And then for shorts, I have a pair of like gym shorts because these are really comfortable and they work as like cute biker shorts. They're from Alpha Elite. I have these black Hollister shorts I had like from years ago, and then my like denim jean skirt from Hollister. We are officially packing. I have things thrown everywhere. I have no idea what I'm doing with it, but we gotta get it together. I got some shirts together. I'll show you them right now. First, I got my green varsity white fox shirt. This reversible Hollister tube top, which I can get 2 outfits out of this because it's reversible. This tube top, like baby doll top, which in navy blue, and this white one, beach day like cover up vibe. I think it's super cute. Blue tank top. Another reversible Hollister tube top, but it's green and navy blue. Like seamless baby blue one. I'm packing in my bag just in case if we don't get our suitcases right away. Crossing my fingers that that does not happen. I'm gonna pack this like white one as like a really simple outfit with these black Hollister shorts. Y'all, it is Saturday, August 9th. I am leaving at 6 p.m. and it is currently 1:10. We gotta get the ball rolling. I'm pretty sure I have everything I want to bring. If not everything, I'm missing a few things here and there, but we're gonna start. I have packing cubes, and then we have a crap ton of outfits where don't have too many pants, but like the shirts can go with the pants I'm bringing. Just the shirts. Now I do have to bring some in my carry-on just in case they don't give us our baggage right away. I know. So I'm bringing, I already showed you guys the green and white fox Alpha Elite shorts. And then I'm gonna do like a basic outfit. The black Hollister like seamless one instead of the white one. Just in case, because like black's not gonna get messy. And then I can do my black Lululemon shorts. I have a light blue version of the black one. You will see the shirt in like many different colors going in my carry-on. Blue baby doll top, a white version of the blue one. Port fit, black Hollister sweatpants, black Hollister tank top, and then I have a Lando Norris sweatshirt that is coming. I think these things are so freaking smart. Next up, we'll do pants and shorts. I'll just combine them together. I'm bringing this really cute jean skirt. These are like sweatshorts. I love them. One pair of my Lululemon leggings. These black Hollister jean shorts. And a pair of jeans. And then also, oh, I have more. These like fleece pants, which I think would be cute for like dinner time. And then I have these white ones, which are like very, very comfortable, but also very kind of flowy. And then we'll have these, and then the Lululemon and the Alpha Elite shorts that are going in my backpack. Packing like way before, and then that literally went like all to crap. I was just like, I'm gonna pack, and then I got so unmotivated. And like, do I fully want to go? No, I don't. I hate flying. That's why. I am terrified of flying. I hate heights. I don't like airports. It is not my scene. One I literally wore once from Hollister, but I think it would be like such a cute cover up to wear. Few pros for my other dress. I have a black longer dress. I'm gonna bring my boyfriend's hoodie because things on my boyfriend. I'm gonna bring this Hollister quarters with me. I'm gonna pack another packing cube, and in this we'll put bathing suits and all my undergarments. At the airport, I'm gonna wear my Adidas Campuses, and then in here I'll pack my Crocs. So I finished packing my suitcase. I did pack my backpack. I have my planner, a book, a little journal, pencil case for whip, pens, pencils, whatever, my iPad, a little backpack or a little bag that has like the makeup stuff, so perfume, deodorant, clips, eyelash curler, blush, and then my mini Tower 28 spray. And then I have a pack of clothes just in case they do end up like losing some of our luggage. I'm gonna lose it. And then that's basically it. And then like chargers and all that fun stuff. But I'm basically all done. I'm also all ready. I literally just got this today. I ordered it a while back. It's my Lando Norris sweatshirt and I'm in love. And then sweatpants, and I also have a black tank top underneath. But that's basically all. So we're all packed, but I will see you guys in the next few vlogs when we're actually in Portugal, which is kind of crazy because I've never been out of the country, so this is like my first time doing that. And you guys will have great and amazing vlogs. So hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you want more from me. I'll see you next time. Peace. Love you. Bye bye.